What is up, everybody? It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status on Instagram, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today we are back working with the Maschine Plus, and I want to show you some of the cool things you can do using the TOUCHSTRIP with the Maschine Plus. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's tutorial, which is working with the TOUCHSTRIP using the Maschine Plus. All right, so here we are looking at the Maschine Plus, and I want to start off by playing the beat, and I want you to listen to the hi-hats so you understand the pitch dive and what it's doing. So you may have heard this type of music or this sound in Detroit type beats or maybe even a Bay Area type beat, but let me show you how I got here. So first of all, you want to load a sound. I have done so, a hi-hat on pad number 1 here. And then you want to make sure the pitch button is highlighted. If you don't highlight it and you move it around, nothing's going to happen here. So make sure this is highlighted here, and then you can change the pitch. So to take it a step further, what you want to do is hit that note repeat. And with trap music, the BPM is typically fast. So I have mine at 192. And you want to make sure you're using an appropriate rhythm. So I use 1/32. And with the triplet, so it sounds like that there. And then now, so I like to start up here and slowly move it across. And the slower you move it, the more dramatic it sounds to me. So check it out. So just gradually, right to left. So that is pretty much the pitch right there. So let me go ahead and show you something else here, what you can do with the pitch here. You can enter to keyboard mode. Note repeat is now off. You hit notes. You can shift it this way. So it just kind of gives it a different character. You can also change the octaves. All right. And another thing to note is that, let's go to plugin here. You want to make sure the pitch bend is at appropriate bending pitch. So if you start from, let me go back to pitch here. If it's on 12 here, you can hear the range. If you go down to 0, nothing's going to happen. So this is 0. Nothing happens. But if you change the pitch bend to 12, it's more dramatic. So let me go back to notes on keyboard mode. You can use the arpeggiator here. All right. So that is how you do a pitch dive. Now let's take a look at how you can use the modulation wheel on the TOUCHSTRIP. Now for the modulation section, what I want to do is go to group B, and I have hybrid keys loaded here. So I want to make sure mod is selected here. So that is how I use the mod function using the TOUCHSTRIP. Now let's take a look at the perform effects. All right, so to access the perform effects, you want to make sure you have shift held down and then hit perform effects select. That's going to automatically load a perform effects on the group section. And let's go ahead and check out the different modes here. So we have filter, which I use a lot. I use stutter, and then I'm getting into the scratcher as well. So let's take a listen to what these are sounding like. And this could be automated by simply hitting Shift Auto and then check it out. All right, let me go ahead and undo that. Turn off my auto. Change my mode here to stutter. So notice how I'm using both of my hands because this is a multi-touch touch strip here. So you can get some cool rhythms by messing around there. And then let me go ahead and show you the scratcher on group A, which are my drums. And then again, we want to load the perform effects there. Switch this over to scratcher. And I just want to target that kick there. So now I'm moving over to the Irish harp. I want to make sure I'm in notes here. Turn on the keyboard section. Change my octave. Change the scale here. So you can get creative from there. All right, so I hope you found this video to be insightful. If you did, give it a thumbs up by hitting that like button and leave a comment down below on what was your favorite part. It's your boy Young Fizz, aka Mr. Dope Status, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.